It's the Wednesday evening edition of Weather for Weather Geeks here on the second day of September. Hope you had a good Wednesday, everyone. We've had better looking days, that is for sure. It's kind of a gloomy one today, and I wanted to show you a time lapse from our Youngstown camera today showing the low overcast for a good chunk of the day. A few bands of showers did push through from time to time. These became less numerous by the end of the afternoon. Even a few peaks of sunshine tried to work in at the last minute. But between the showers that we had in the wee hours of this morning and the showers that we had at times during the daylight hours today, those added up to about an inch or so worth of rain from Newton Falls across the southern tier of Trumbull County through the Youngstown Ward Airport in Vienna, a little over an inch there, pretty close to an inch, over towards Clark and Sharon, West Middlesex, Farrell, pretty close to that up in the northeastern corner of Mercer County, 0.89 near Sandy Lake. Calcutta Glenmore, southern Columbiana County, about 0.41. Central Columbiana County didn't have quite as much, and we had about a quarter to a third of an inch in a lot of rain gauges in Mahoning County. As of this recording at 6:25, just one shower pretty much out there, moving through Glenmore, Calcutta, heading over towards Wellsville and East Liverpool here in the 6:30 time frame. Boy, big changes ahead in terms of the dew points. We have an elevated dew point right now, 67 degrees at the airport, but Detroit, the dew point's 55. Lansing, the dew point's in the 40s. And those are the dew points that are heading our way by tomorrow night and Friday. But in the meantime, we have this kind of wavy front. A little ripple of low pressure will ride along it tomorrow. A little bit of rain, couple of showers, I think will be a possibility morning and midday, especially in areas south of I-80 and especially south of 224. Farther north you are, the lower your rain chances will be tomorrow. And this will be the last muggy day because this next front's coming our way tomorrow night, and this is the front that will usher in the much different air mass for Friday and the weekend as dew points will plummet. Wow, what a nice start to the weekend we have coming up on Saturday. I always love showing these dew point animations when we have a big change. There goes the humid air and a very, very pleasant air mass with great sleeping weather coming our way as we go into the weekend. We have Labor Day coming up on Monday. It's weird talking about the Labor Day weekend forecast and not including the Canfield Fair as part of that, but unfortunately this year just the Junior Fair, and it's too bad because we would have great weather out at the fairgrounds this year. The Labor Day forecast on Monday is a little bit warmer, but still not that humid, and now it looks to be dry. Temperatures in the morning in the middle 60s, heading for the upper 70s and lower 80s for Monday afternoon. All right, tricky times ahead. Forecasting for next week. The European model dumps a trough into the Intermountain West and kind of keeps it out there. And this ridge of high pressure over the southeast flexes its muscles and deflects a lot of the cool stuff, for a while anyway, out to our west. That's the European model. It has the support of some other modeling. The GFS model today is more in line with our previous thinking. It brings that trough down and then keeps it progressing east. The ridge is over the Atlantic, so the trough is able to come east. And what does that mean for our sensible weather? If the GFS has the right idea, then we have a pretty significant cool down coming our way at the end of next week and into next weekend. European says not so fast. In fact, the trends on the European and other modeling would suggest that, boy, we're not done with summer just yet. We've got middle 80s now as a possibility as we go into the middle portions of next week. So I have raised our forecast high temperatures during the first half of next week. I've eliminated any rain chances from Labor Day and the day or two after the holiday. If we get some rain and we get some cooler weather, it would be at the very end of next week into next weekend, but it's not looking as promising for some early autumnal chill as it looks like yesterday and the day before. So stay tuned on the long-range forecasts. Quick edition of Weather for Weather Geeks tonight with a pretty simple pattern coming up. Thank you for watching, though, and I'll see you back here on Thursday for a fresh edition of the Valley's most in-depth weather forecast.